Hey guys, it's the Friday right before spring break. Hope everybody's doing well. It's been a long 3 weeks. Miss you guys a lot, obviously. Um, just kind of looking through stuff. Looks like most of you guys are turning in work. Trying to give you credit for doing that. A lot of good questions on some of the feedbacks from your submissions. Let's keep that kind of stuff up. I know spring break starts, basically today. Um, So during spring break, just take time to relax, uh, take care of yourself, that kind of stuff. But, if there are things you need to make up that are missing, remember check Schoology and list everything that I've put in, anything before, the shutdown took place. You can always go back and submit those, take a picture. If you need well, it should all be on Schoology. Go back and look. If there's a worksheet that you are missing, you can just like we did, take a picture of it. If you need me to go through, if you need to turn it into a Word document, go to, oh, what's it called? I'll have to go look it up and give it to you. But there's a little free app that you can click and it converts it into a Word document that you can write on. It's Candy something or other. I have to go look it up. That's basically what I've been doing with some of the stuff we have now. Um, we're still doing new stuff. That part hasn't changed. And so some of you guys, have taken the test. I haven't put the grades in yet. I want to make sure we get everybody that's in, and we'll look at the grades and see how it is, and I'll post the final grade on point value on that. Um, hopefully this will, some of the stuff that you guys are missing, if you'll turn that in, it'll help raise your grade. Um, we still got stuff to do. Right now we started, for physics, we started momentum. It's a very short unit, just momentum and collisions. Astronomy, we're still working on the solar system. I'm looking through the submissions you gave me, and then we'll do a review probably when we get back from spring break and take a test on that. And then we'll start on with the sun, stars, and galaxies, and that'll be pretty much it. Probably won't get to cosmology. You guys in physics, we'll finish up momentum, and then we're going to get into work, power, and energy. And then after that, I don't know, it just depends on how long it takes. We'll definitely have 2 unit tests for that. And I don't know about a final. I don't know if we're going to do finals or not. So we'll just have to play that by ear. It may be just we'll put in an average of what you had for the school year. I don't know. Um, I'll probably try to do more of this kind of stuff where I'll make a YouTube video or I'll do the screencastify to show you how to do problems. I want you to try to attempt them first. Mostly talk about my physics groups. Astronomy is a little bit different. Um, I don't know about Zoom. I know I do Zoom with, we can do that with our staff, but I don't know how to do it unless we all just do it on a phone. There's no way of doing it on our laptop. Um, so I don't know if we could, if any of you guys want to do a Zoom, we can try to set that up. I don't, I've never done it with the class, so I don't know. And I know that the conferences on Schoology is having a hard time. And I apologize for all the shutdowns that happen on Schoology. I get it on my end too. I'm right in the middle of something, and then it just shuts me out. And so I just have to wait and reboot it again. I'll try to get the assignments on in either the night before or at the first thing in the morning. So I know some of you guys are doing it at different times, um, but just know after a certain time, I'm probably not going to answer a whole lot of questions because I got my kids I got to take care of too. So usually I'll answer as many questions as I can in the mornings and until about 3:30, 4 o'clock. After that, it's kind of hit and miss. If I'm not doing anything and I see it pops up a question, I'll try to answer it. But I will get to it the next day. So after this video, actually, I got to go through and look at all the submissions that y'all did yesterday, answer any of those kind of questions. I hate doing this too. I'd rather be in the classroom. It's a a whole lot easier. This takes a lot of time on my end just to kind of do stuff for you guys. And I know it takes a lot of time on you guys' end because the back and forth the between questions is really long. It may be, the next day before you get an answer. And I know that's not the best uh, way to do things, but it's just the way it is going to be this year, and we'll get through this. And I just don't know what else to say. I don't know if this is going to go all the way to the end, or if we're going to go just through April, and then maybe we'll do something else. I'm hearing it as you guys hear it. So anytime something new comes out, we'll just adjust from there. First we thought we were going to be out for 2 weeks. Now it's a whole month. So be safe. I know some of you guys are working. I know you got to do what you got to do, but be careful out there and make sure you take precautions. And try to social distance yourself. Get out, get some fresh air, but try not to congregate. I know it's hard. uh, there's people I would like to go visit. My son's supposed to have a birthday next week, but we're not going to have a birthday party for him. He's turning 7. So I know it's tough on everybody. If we can get through this, we won't have to ever worry about it again, and y'all will be stronger for it if you can make it through this. So anyway, I'll try to do some more of this kind of stuff if to kind of get some information out. And I don't know. Y'all just keep in contact with me. I miss you guys. Hopefully, we'll see each other soon. All right. Talk to you later. Bye.